Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the online lecture of our class 4 maths. So, we were dealing with the chapter number 7, right? Now, in the last, we have finished till page number 71. Now, moving further, let's see what is happening in the party first. Now, what happened? Look, a group of ants is marching here. The grasshopper said, "The kheer is finished. Now what can we do?" The cat said sadly, "Don't worry, they won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter." Okay, so a bunch of ants were coming here and the kheer was no longer there. So, that is all. I will share my kheer with them, the elephant said and wiped the cat's tear with his ear. So, elephant is ready for sharing his kheer with the ants. "How many are you all together?" the elephant asked. "We are only 1,000, said the ants. So, there were 1,000 ants. And now for 1,000 ants, each need 1 milliliter. So in total how much it will be needed? So we know that how we can do this. Multiplying 1000 by 1 milliliter equal to 1000 milliliters, right? And 1000 milliliters equals to how many liters? Yes, 1 liter. The cat said, "Oh no, 1000, we have to give kheer to 1000 ants." After thinking, the elephant said, "No problem, I can manage. Each ant drinks 1 milliliters of kheer. So 1000 ants drink 1000 into 1 ml equals to dash ml. We did it, right? 1000 ml. They will need the same as the 10 frog," said the donkey. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. In the previous lecture, we saw that the frogs need 1 liter, and here also the answer is coming 1 liter of kheer. So both need the same amount of kheer. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. So at the end they enjoyed the party very much. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? So these are some of the question answer which you can give by your own self. Okay, if you like kheer, you can write yes or no, or what do you call it at your home. Okay, generally in our side we call it as a kheer, but you can see how much kheer can you have. Okay, so here we have seen that different animals need different amount of kheer, but how much amount you need? Okay, you can estimate it. Can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Okay, moving further, the donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter. Help him to complete the chart. Okay, so now let's understand the chart first. So in the greenish box it is written 1 liter, right? Now on the right hand side of the box there are two boxes of pink color, and in that it is written that two boxes are there. So 500 ml plus 500 ml, which is equal to 1 liter. So now from this we can get the idea. We have to fill the blanks in such a way that the total of that two box or three box or four box of the same color makes 1 liter. Okay, so on the right hand side of the greenish box we see two box of pink. Okay, so we have written 500 ml plus 500 ml. Now on the left hand side, first see two boxes are there. We have to fill one such number that number plus 200 ml have to give 1 liter. Now which number it is possible? So if you try to do it mentally, you can guess the answer as 800 ml. 800 ml plus 200 ml equals to 1 liter, right? 800 plus 200, which is equal to 1000, and 1000 is 1 liter. Or other way, you can do like this way: assume that dash or blank has x. So we have the equation x plus 200 equals to, don't write 1 liter, write in the ml, because in the both side of the equation, always on the right hand side and on the left hand side of the equation, you should have the same sign. So on the left hand side, if we are writing the numbers in the form of ml, then on the left side also we have to write the number in the form of ml. So x plus 200 equals to 1000. So x equal to 1000 minus 200, which is equal to what? 800. Okay. Now here on the downside of that greenish box, the 4 box of yellow color, 100 ml plus dash plus dash plus dash. So here also you can do it. Now let's assume there are 4 to 5 answers which are possible. First, 100 plus 500, which is equal to 600, and then other 2 box of 200 ml. So this is one type. Okay, you have to guess the answer by first considering the first number like 500 ml. So 500 ml plus 100 ml equals to 600. Now only 2 boxes are remaining, and we have to reach 2000 ml. So adding 200 in each box, so we can get 1 liter. But otherwise, if this does not work for you, you can assume once again x in all the blank. So x plus x plus x plus 100 equals to 1 liter or 1000. So 3x plus 100 equal to 1000. 3x equal to 1000 minus 100, which is 900. Now 3x equals to 900. So x equals to what? X equals to 900 divided by 3. So when you divide 900 divided by 3, you will get 300 as an answer. So in all the blanks, you can write 300 ml as the answer. Okay, now let's cross verify it. 100 plus 300, 400. 400 plus 300, 700. 700 plus 300 equals to 1000 ml. Now moving further to the upper side of the box. Now see here, 1 liter, and on the upper side it is written as 250 plus dash plus dash. Now here also you can go for that method only. X plus 250 equals to 1000. So 2x plus 250 equal to 1000. So 2x equals to 1000 minus 250, right? Okay, so what you will get? 750, right? Now 750, 2x equals to 750. So 750 divided by 2, okay, and you will get the answer of x. Similarly, you can do the remaining box of blue color. We will move further in this chapter in the next lecture. Thank you.